My name's Lorna and I'm a senior fashion designer working in London. A big part of being a fashion designer is that need to travel, always looking for something different. The dryness on the airplane absolutely kills my skin. When you're away from home, those little routines and those sort of familiar smells of beauty care, it's nice, that little bit of pampering away from home. Stress always affects people's skin. Working to fast deadlines around collection time, we all tend to feel like we need a bit more TLC when we get home. Something really important for me is looking for a product that's not too heavy. So I've been trying Dove's Cashmere Comfort body cream and really liked how rich and comforting it felt on my skin. After a hard day, it just feels like a little mini spa at home. So how I've been using the Cashmere Comfort body cream at home, just by taking a little scoop out and just applying it onto my skin. And then I just gently rub it in so it melts into your skin straight away. You can feel your skin drinking it up and it's quite easily absorbed. I've been quite surprised at how soft it's left my skin. What clothing can do, the same way that beauty can do. It's not, you have to change and not be you. It's just that knowledge of how to just care for yourself and be a more confident you.